Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of bot neck embroidery designs. You can also say that this is a treat for hand embroidery beginners because all the embroidery patterns are simple and easy to make. The beauty of these designs is that you can make these very beautiful patterns onto your kurtas, short length kurta that could be worn along with a very beautiful and perfect matching of denim jeans or any type of pants that you used to wear or like to wear. Even you can also make these very beautiful design ideas of neckline onto plain fabric, white color kurti, or even you can also use chicken curry white shirts to embroider these patterns to give them a more creative and more elegant look. The design patterns are up to you. The color combinations are given and shared with you. You just have to pick the best or the favorite design of yours and just keep start do start making. And do comment below the comment section. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and don't forget to like and subscribe and share your best design, which design you like the most and why.